1. Over 800 comic series were created in Belgium, including Smurfs and Tintin. 2. The word spa was inspired by the town of Spa in Belgium. 3. Belgium is the country of music festivals, Rock Werchter, Tomorrowland, etc. 4. The headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels, Belgium. 5. The leading exporter of billiard balls in the world is Belgium. 6. The national flag of Belgium was adopted in 1831. 7. The capital city of Belgium is Brussels. Belgium is a country situated in Western Europe. 8. The majority of the people in Brussels, approximately 85%, speak French. 9. Because Belgium was a battlefield between many European powers, this country is known as the battlefield of Europe. 10. Belgium is known for inventions like plastic, and also for contributions towards contraceptive pills, the World Wide Web, and so on. 11. Belgium has been producing chocolate since 1635. Today, this country produces every year over 172,000 tons of chocolate. 12. The origin of French fries is in Belgium, not France. French fries are called Belgian fries in Belgium. 13. Belgium is one of the world's largest exporters of diamonds. 14. Belgium is one of the world's leading processors and refiners of cobalt, radium, zinc, copper, and lead. 15. International fast food chains of restaurants such as McDonald's, Burger King, and Quick have a market share of 79% in this country. 16. This country is known for waffles, chocolate, fries, etc. 17. The major crops of this country are chicory, sugar beets, flax, potatoes, and cereal grains. 18. The population of Belgium right now is around 11.77 million. 19. This country can temporarily function without a federal government, because there are 6 governments, 5 regional governments, and 1 federal government. 20. There are 3 official languages in Belgium: Dutch, French, and German. There is no Belgian language. 21. The Christmas presents in Belgium are brought by Sinterklaas, Dutch, or Saint Nicholas, French. 22. Before the euro, the official currency of Belgium was the Belgian franc. The physical euro banknotes and coins were introduced in Belgium on January 1, 2002. 23. About 34% of the electricity in Belgium is provided by nuclear reactors right now. 24. Belgium is one of Europe's most urbanized and heavily industrialized countries. 25. Some of the world's highest tax rates are in Belgium.